This variant is based on the long-wheelbase FJ43 and starts at $200,000 before adding any options. There's a shorter wheelbase FJ40 available. Yes, that sounds like an absurd amount for a nearly 40-year-old Toyota, but a lot of time and effort goes into building these FJs. Look past the iconic sheet metal and you'll find heated Recaro leather seats, heating and air conditioning, a backup camera, and an Apple iPad in the center console to control the radio. There are LED headlights and fog lights and a custom instrument cluster that adds digital displays into the classic housing. Mechanical upgrades are significant. Unlike other models from the FJ company, the signature version ditches the old Toyota inline-six for a modern engine and transmission. Power comes from a Toyota 1GR 4.0-liter V6 that can be found in various years of the 4Runner, Tacoma and Tundra. It's paired with a 5-speed manual. 4-wheel drive is standard, but you have to manually lock the hubs. Options on the model include a $2,000 roll cage, $3,500 ARB air lockers, a $3,500 Warren 8274 winch and bumper, $500 flip windows, a $700 leather-wrapped steering wheel, a $400 jerrycan and a $250 high-lift jack. This one is much more than a well-executed rebuild. Rather, it's the creation of the FJ company, and our tester is the $200,000 signature model. It has everything from a modern powertrain, 240 horsepower 6, to luxury gear, Recaro seats, to the cool details, like aluminum control knobs. It's gorgeous, retro and plenty capable off-road. I climb in. It's cold with the canvas top and back not shielding me from the Michigan winter. It takes 2 tries to start. I grab first then second gears, make a left onto a surface street and get my bearings. The clutch is pretty easy. I cast off my winter boots, because the pedals are close together, but otherwise, it's not a problem. The 5-speed throws are long and rewarding. The shifter is like a hockey stick. It's so tall. Steering is light and wallowy. Still, it's not hard to maneuver. I clatter and crash over the tight, broken pavement, jarring my teeth and jostling me in my seat. I feel like I'm leading a mechanized cavalry charge. The 6 is competent. I wind it out and have no problem getting up to speed. It's mid-morning and everyone's at work, which is frustrating since I'd like others to witness me driving this amazing, cool thing. For a lot of the drive, I blabbed to Reese about the Jeep CJ2A in which I learned to drive. This FJ reminded me a lot of that. The large diameter but thin-rimmed steering wheel reminded me of that old Willys, as did the long throws of the shifter. The way this bounced over the ruts in the road felt familiar. Unlike the Jeep, though, I didn't have to double-clutch this Toyota, which was a blessing. The pedals are so close together, and my duck boots in the darkness made clumsy work of them. Reese didn't laugh at me, though. This vehicle is a cool blend of old and new. The design inside and out is a callback to simpler times. But the newer underpinnings make this Land Cruiser feel a bit more sound and reliable than an off-roader as old as me, and with a much older design, should feel. The addition of a tablet as a sort of infotainment interface felt a little out of place, but it would have seemed even weirder were it mounted on the dash. For someone with the money, this would be a fun car to have in their personal fleet. I feel lucky having had the chance to get behind the wheel. My only regret is that I forgot to honk the horn. I bet it sounds cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.